Tonight we examine how artificial intelligence is changing modern warfare. On the Hill today, senators rolled out a bipartisan AI roadmap worth $32 billion to try to keep the U.S. ahead of China. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer says China is spending 10 times more than the U.S. on development right now. Meanwhile, two of the companies developing high-tech weapons systems are showcasing their work using AI to the country's top military leaders. Chief National Security Correspondent Jennifer Griffin takes a look from the Pentagon.
It's either we own AI or our adversaries, China and Russia, own AI.
Modern warfare is being revolutionized by artificial intelligence.
Our adversaries have a as long tradition of being not interested in the rule of law, not interested in fairness, not interested in human rights. And on the battlefield, it really is going to be us or them. We have to dominate and then set a rule of law to constrain development, which is what we did in that post-World War II period with nuclear warhead.
The U.S. is the leading producer of AI software, far outpacing China and Russia, says Alex Karp, co-founder of Palantir, whose technology is being used in Ukraine and in the Middle East.
Do you think you can prevent a war with China?
The way to prevent a war with China is to ramp up not just Palantir, but defense tech startups that produce software-defined weapon systems that scare the living F out of our adversaries.
This mixed reality headset from Palantir allows the warfighter to see the battlefield, available air assets, enemy targets, and supply routes in 3D. But fear that AI could lead to killer robots and taking humans out of the so-called kill chain has led to anxiety and threats of regulation that worries American innovators. Former intelligence analyst Shannon Clark says this targeting technology would have helped shorten the war in Iraq and Afghanistan.
It's about speed. What was able to be done in days or weeks is now done in minutes. I had a general say to me the other day, it doesn't matter if I have 50 targets. I need to know what ammo, what effectors I have available.
Software by tech companies like Govini can streamline supply chains, something that will be needed in the Pacific. This simulation shows how Palantir software can find a nefarious cargo ship hiding in busy sea lanes.
It's going to be all about scale. You are not going to be able to do this alone as a human intel analyst. You are going to need machine learning to tell you, how do we get through this process faster?
The Pentagon is taking note.
I don't play for second place. If I'm in, I'm putting my best foot forward to make sure we are going to win.